Welcome all my dear friends. In today's lecture series, I'll explain you what are the operators used in Visual Basic. Myself, Mrs. Neha Narai, Head Department of Computer Science, Dharampet MPJ Memorial Science College, Nagpur. Operator and operands are generally used to solve an expression or which are used in an expression. So there are various types of operator which operates to get some value from the expression. So in Visual Basic, there are various types of operator like logical operator, comparison operator, then relational operator, etc. So now we will see how the operator works in Visual Basic. So there are four types of basic operators which are used in Visual Basic. Like first one is logical operator, second one is arithmetic operator, concatenation operator, and comparison operator. So in my lecture, I'll study or focus on all the four types of operator and its use to build an application in Visual Basic, or how we can use all these operator. So the first type of operator is logical operator. Logical operator always checks or always use three types of operator: and, or, and not. So these logical operators are used in looping structure, or using if else statement, or any type of selection and the sequence type of control structure. The first logical operator is AND. The syntax of using AND operator is condition 1 and condition 2. Means whenever we are using the AND operator, at that time the statements are executed one and only one when both the conditions are true. The OR operator is exactly opposite to the AND operator. In OR operator is either condition 1 is true or condition 2 is true, then the statements which have written in the blocks are executed. And the third type of logical operator is NOT operator. So the syntax is not and condition. We have specified the condition here like not age greater than or equal to 30. Means when the age is not greater than or equal to 30, the statements are executed. So all the three types of logical operator you can use with a simple if statement, or with nested if statement, or with else if statement. Then second type of the operator is comparison operator. So in comparison operator, there are various types of operator are we have used, like equality, then inequality, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. This is the one new comparison operator which is used in Visual Basic, is a like string comparison, and is compares control variable. So all these are the comparison operator which are used in conditional structure, whatever the conditional statement or conditional structure, and or the do while and looping structure which are used in Visual Basic. Then third type of the operator is arithmetic operator, and last one is the concatenation operator. So the arithmetic operators are of type basic as follows, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then modulus, then floating and exponent. So we can use all the arithmetic operator in Visual Basic. For example, if you want to add the value of two text and store the value in some text box 3, so we can use addition operator. Or if you want to calculate the modulus of two number, then we can use mod operator. Or if you want to use the exponent of any number, so we can use exponent operator. Then the last type of the operator is concatenation operator. So the in Visual Basic, there the concatenation operators are used of two types. First one is AND operator and second one is plus operator. So how we can use this concatenation operator, I will explain with example. So here I'm going to present you how the comparison operator works in the example, as well as the arithmetic operator works in an example. This is the example of use of arithmetic operator. So this is the designing portion of the Visual Basic. This is coding portion and this is your output screen. So to design or to use the arithmetic operator, first go to the Visual Basic 6.0, then click on the exe. After clicking on the exe, the form will be displayed like this. Okay, and all these are the toolboxes, or the tools which are available in toolbox. And here I am going to build a simple application in which the division of the two number will be displayed once I click on this command button. So to execute this application, I have considered three label control from the toolbox: label 1, label 2 and label 3, corresponding with the text 1, text 2 and text 3 to display the value, and one is command button. What is my requirement? My requirement is that once I click on this calculate button, the division of the two number which I have entered in text 1 and text 2 will be displayed in text 3. Okay, for that I'll use the click event. To write the code on the specific command button, you have click on the calculate button. Okay, so you can write the code like this: text3.text is equal to val of text1.text divided by val of text2 dot text. Okay, so after executing this, after compiling the project, you just click on this run button and you will get the output like this. So here you have to enter the value for text1, text2 and click on the calculate button. The division of the two number will be displayed in text box 3. So this is the simple example of arithmetic, use of arithmetic operator in Visual Basic. So in this way you can use multiple arithmetic operator and logical operator in Visual Basic while building a simple application. Now this is the example of the comparison operator. Here I'm going to explain you. I have used the greater or equal to operator. Okay, so I'll consider the three label control and three text box and one command button. First I'll calculate the value of the two number. Okay, addition of the two number will be displayed in text box 3, and then I check the value of the text box 3 using the comparison operator. If the value of text box dot text is greater than or equal to 75, then I have used the message box, and in that message box it will print the message or display the message as excellent. Okay, so in this way I have used the comparison operator. Here I have entered the input like 90 and second input as 20 and click on the calculate button. So addition of the two number is 110, means here the condition is true, means the value is greater than or equal to 75. That's why the message box will be displayed. So in this way you can write a simple code for comparison operator, arithmetic operator and logical operator also. Now here, this is the example of concatenation operator. For that, again I have considered two label control and two text box. Or either you can use a label control to display the string, and one is command button. To display, enter a string and enter another string, we have to set the caption property of both label control. Okay, through the property window. You just click on the label control and go to the property window and select the caption property. Then compile the program and enter the string. like in string 1, enter the string hello, and in text box 2, enter the string world. And once I click on this concatenation button, the concatenation of the two string will be displayed like this. Okay. Now if you want to learn the concept more in detail, so you can go through this video. I have uploaded videos here, you can go through it. This is the sample application of concatenation operator. You can see how to write the code for concatenation operator. Okay, and these are some previous year question based on the operators. You can note down all the operators, all the questions which are based on the operators. So if you like my video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. For any query, you can contact me on the mail ID which is given here. Thank you so much.